Hi everybody, my name is Mohammad Fuzail Saifullah, studying in first PUC Science at Micah PU College. Today I'm here to give an explanation on the topic heredity from the chapter Heredity and Evolution from your CBSE class 10th textbook. It's an important topic as it comes for 3 to 5 marks in your 10th CBSE board examination. Let's get started. Here's a presentation on the topic heredity. Questions worth 3 to 5 marks are going to be asked on the topic heredity in the CBSE Class 10 final exams. Heredity, the process by which the features of an organism are passed on from one generation to another, is called heredity. It refers to the transmission of characters or traits from parents to their offspring. Heredity is the continuity of features from one generation to another which are present in fertilized egg or zygote. Mendel's work. Gregor Johann Mendel, known as the father of genetics, he was an Austrian monk who worked on pea plants to understand the concept of heredity. His work laid the foundation of modern genetics. He made three basic laws of inheritance: the law of dominance, the law of segregation, and the law of independent assortment. Inheritance. Inheritance is the passing of genetic traits from parents to their offspring, and these offspring get all the genetic information from the parents. Therefore, inheritance explains why the parents and the children have similar characteristic traits. The characteristic traits passed on by parents include eye color, hair color, and blood type. Even diseases can be passed on from parents to their offspring. When one character is considered while crossing two organisms, then such a cross is known as monohybrid cross. Example, Mendel pea plant experiment. When one tall plant and a short plant are crossed, then the resultant will be four tall plants, as the tall trait is more dominant over the short trait. And when you cross the cross and a short plant again, you get two tall plants. And when you cross that again, then you get three tall plants and one short again. This is known as monohybrid cross. And the ratio of monohybrid cross is 3:1. Dominant traits. The traits that express themselves in an organism in every possible combination and can be seen are called dominant traits. In Mendel's experiment, we can see that tall trait in pea plants tends to express more than short trait. Therefore, the tall trait of a plant is said to be dominant over the short trait. Recessive traits. Recessive trait is present at the gene level but does not show itself in the organism. Some example of recessive traits are O negative blood, blue eyes, sickle cell anemia, albinism, inability to roll tongue, etc. Here's a detailed chart on an experiment which was considered as a dihybrid cross. Here, round yellow resultants are 9, round green resultants are 3, wrinkled and yellow resultants are 3, and wrinkled and green resultants is 1. Phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. important questions on heredity chapter. These chapters are most likely to come in your board exams 2022. Now let's carry on with the MCQs. Independent inheritance of two separate traits, shape and color of seeds in Mendel's cross on pea plants resulted in an observable ratio of A 3:1, B 9:3:3:1, C 1:1, D 9:4:2:1. So the correct answer is B 9:3:3:1. 2. Two pea plants, one with round green seeds denoted by capital R, small y, and another with wrinkled yellow, small r, capital Y. Seeds produce F1 progeny that have round yellow, which is denoted by capital R, capital Y seeds. When F1 plants are selfed, the F2 progeny will have new combination of characters. Choose the new combination from the following. 1. Round yellow. 2. Round green. 3. Wrinkled and yellow. 4. Wrinkled and green. A. First and second. B. First and fourth. C. Second and third. D. First and third. So here the correct answer is first and fourth, which is round and yellow and wrinkled and green. Third one. In P, a pure tall plant capital T is crossed with a short plant small t. The ratio of pure tall plants to short plants in F2 is A 1:3, B 3:1, C 1:1, D 2:1. So the correct answer is A 1:3. Thank you.